Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Today I'm putting together Caesar salad dressing. This is the dressing that I grew up with, and it's more of a vinaigrette rather than creamy. So let's see what we're gonna need. I'll be using a 3-inch ribbon of this anchovy paste. If you don't want to use it or can't find it, you can just substitute Worcestershire sauce. I'm making this with blue cheese, although I have made it with gorgonzola and it's delicious. I am using Parmigiano Reggiano for this, although you could use just plain Parm, even from the can. This can just sit in the refrigerator until you're ready to use it, or you can use it immediately. The garlic may be a little sharp though. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.